Welcome, viewers, to the WonderKids Workshop channel. Today, we delve into the fascinating realm of early childhood education ECE, a pivotal phase that spans from birth to around 8 years old. This period is marked by accelerated cognitive, emotional, social, and physical growth, constituting a crucial juncture in a child's overall development. Join us on this journey as we explore the foundations that shape the future learning and well-being of these WonderKids. Key components of early childhood education include holistic development. ECE focuses on the overall development of the child, addressing cognitive, social, emotional, and physical aspects. It recognizes that all these domains are interconnected and play a vital role in a child's well-rounded growth. Play-based learning. Play is a central element in early childhood education. Through play, children explore, experiment, and learn about the world around them. Play-based learning fosters creativity, problem-solving skills, and social interaction. Early literacy and numeracy. ECE programs often incorporate activities that promote early literacy and numeracy skills. This includes storytelling, singing, counting, and other activities that lay the groundwork for later academic success. Socialization. Early childhood education provides opportunities for children to interact with their peers and adults, helping them develop social skills, emotional intelligence, and a sense of belonging. Socialization is crucial for building relationships and understanding societal norms. Parental involvement. ECE programs recognize the importance of involving parents and caregivers in a child's learning journey. Collaborative efforts between educators and parents contribute to a more supportive learning environment. Cultural sensitivity and inclusivity. Recognizing and respecting diverse backgrounds and cultures is an integral part of early childhood education. Inclusive practices ensure that all children, regardless of their background, feel valued and supported. Qualified educators. Well-trained and qualified educators are essential in ECE to provide appropriate guidance, support, and stimulation for children. They understand child development principles and can tailor their teaching methods to meet individual needs. Health and nutrition. ECE programs often address the health and nutritional needs of young children. This includes promoting healthy eating habits, physical activity, and creating a safe and hygienic environment. Assessment and monitoring. Ongoing assessment and monitoring help educators understand each child's progress and tailor their approach accordingly. Assessments in ECE are often informal and play-based, focusing on observing and documenting children's development. Transition to formal education. A smooth transition from early childhood education to formal schooling is a key goal. ECE programs aim to prepare children for the academic, social, and emotional demands of elementary school.